middle of nowhere. But I need to light a fire. Legally.
I ran from the city. The noise, the pressure, the pretending, in search of peace. That peace wasn't waiting for me out here. What I found was my own struggle again. Then I remembered. Months ago, I'd read they were poisonous. That night, I was sick. No fire. Wet. No comfort.
I held it for a moment, then watched it disappear. In one cruel second, it was gone. But somewhere in all that failure, I found what I had been missing. Patience. Patience with the fire that wouldn't start, with the hunger, the sickness, with myself. In chasing the life I wanted, I found what I needed. I thought I was escaping, but really, I was learning to be patient with the journey. The hardest journey is being patient with life.